It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we have something very interesting, or maybe it is. So this is the Extreme U Game Box. So this is not your typical device. No. It's Extreme. So yeah, it says new 2021, but it's already like a year old. It's kind of interesting to see like how they completely messed it up when it comes to the print. And yeah, I just recently bought it, so I don't know what's going on over there with the 2021. So we have like 100% brand new and high quality guaranteed. Ooh, that's a very bold statement, I can tell you that. So it comes with a lot of support, but here you can say like just your basic typical 8-bit, 16-bit, and of course, Classic Edition. Alright, so the controllers are quite cute, and I must say like I really like how they are looking, the nub step controllers. It comes with an analog stick. It's not one like the one Nintendo Switch. It doesn't. Yeah, it does have like the same kind of rubberized joystick, but it doesn't have the click. And it comes with a very not, let's say, tiny but not comfortable like D-pad. Like if you need to play it, it's not very comfortable. We do have like the 6-button layout over here. Very cheap feel. Maybe this one only works on one single AAA battery, so that is cool. Like, dongle is too thick, I can't get it in. And oh, they give us one extension over here. Oh, like rubberized. Ugh, don't like that. So that's what we're going to do. Plug it in here. And it also comes with a micro USB cable because, yes, this thing needs some juice from the television or using 5-volt power supply or phone charger. So let's take a close look again here where we're going to get more. The Nipser toilet paper manual with nothing like a great, yeah, there's not a lot of information in here. I have a mix of, let's see, English and other language. Basic explanation how it works, but it's absolutely rubbish. Well, let's take a close look at the system and let's plug and play. So in my case, there are basically two ways to connect this. The first one is basically plug it in the side, which is kind of weird, but it's one option. So you don't need to use the HDMI extension. Okay, so this thing is way too thick for my port. So that doesn't work, so we need to do, and I'm going to connect it like this. Alright, so let's plug it in here. Looks kind of weird if you ask me. Yeah, so let's get ourselves a USB cable. Okay, so if you have a port ready, and there's not going to be used the USB version, you can always like plug in the cable over here. Let's see if it works. I think it will give me enough juice for the dongle to power up. But that's basically the idea. Plug and play ready, baby. Let's go. Let's take a close look at the menu and how everything works. So it's quite straightforward. We have seen this menu before, so I don't know how they get this extreme whatever thing. It's absolutely nonsense. So the controller, the downside is if this thing gets broken, you have no other way to navigate through the system itself, because this thing has been configured with your dongle. So what you can see over here, we do have like Arcade, Genesis, GBA, Super Famicom, Famicom, Favorite, and the folder where we can mess around in the folder itself. So when navigating through the other page, basically, let's say, go and select, here you can go into the different menu, and select it can go back. You also can press basically right over here, and if you want to go back, you always need to press select. So basically this is where you're going to get, pressing the home is going back into the main menu when you're booting up a game. So that's basically what you're going to get with the menu itself. Nothing very fancy. We do get these quick thumbnails. Looks kind of cool. But let's try some games and let's see how it actually works. Okay, when in the game, pressing select and start will bring you to a different menu. So what you can see is we have like over here the save states. That we can make a quick load, quick save. And we even can put it on scaled up. So let's go back to the game and let's press resume. And it's completely messed up. So that's something I've seen many times before. Alright, let's boot it up again. And here you can see like now the aspect ratio option seems to be working. So that's pretty damn cool. So we do have like the option pressing home. Nothing how it works and nothing doesn't work here. So let's boot up a game. Pressing home will go straight back into the menu. So basically that's how it works. Works very well. I like it. Okay, so let's start off with the NES. Just going to use widescreen. Sorry guys. Because it has me set to widescreen again. Okay. All the sound effects are here. Alright. D-pad feels really cheap, but it seems to be working. Alright, so let's go in here. Oh crap. So when it comes to emulation performance for the NES, there is no weird thing going on. Everything seems to be working just fine. Cool. Also can play with the analog sticks, that plays way better. The positioning of the analog stick is way better on this controller because it's also so tiny. Alright, so let's try some Super NES. Let's see how it works. I'm also going to put it on the original aspect ratio this time. To get the idea that I need to do that every single time when I'm basically trying to play a game. So far so good. I have no idea where's my button to shoot. What the hell is going on? Oh, there it is. What the hell, man? What a weird situation. Where's my other button for? Basically, like, not doing this, but dashing. So the buttons are not correctly configured. So let's go to that positioning. Oh no, there we go. You can change it out, so everything has been set in here like it should be. But alright, so yeah, that didn't work well. Alright, so then we know like the menu is completely messed up. So what I can hear over here, that everything seems to be sounding like it should be. No audio delay. I'm curious, like what happens if we're going to press select and start and we're going to mess with the aspect ratio? Like what kind of aspect ratio are we going to get? Scaling up, okay. Nothing seems to be happening. Yeah. Alright, so menu is again messed up, so the only thing I need to do is restart. But for now, I just wanted to show you how it is. Where we have instant load for the 8-bit, 16-bit era, we do have like a loading time for the name and arcade. Alright, let's go to the settings. Alright. Oh, here we go again. Whatever. Let's go on. Oh! See, it's like freaking stuttering! Oh man, this is unplayable. Oh! Construction-wise, they did improve it here and there, so with a minor like cooling. Of course, we don't have a lot of space for adding a lot of cooling, otherwise the stick is going to be even more huge than it already is. I have seen my share of shitty game sticks, game boxes whatsoever, but this, to be honest, I was to my surprise not the, let's say, the worst one. Like the software with the aspect ratio, it's a mess, absolutely. Another thing you need to take consideration, if your controller breaks or you drop it or you go in range mode and you throw with it, you will have a problem. Simply because when it's broken, there is no way of basically like configuring new ones. They work on 2.4 GHz, I don't notice any delay. I personally really hate the freaking like D-pad because even when you like try to navigate through the menu, it's very difficult. Sometimes you want to press down and you can already see like when pressing it here, like it also registers the right over here. So, and overall, it's not the best. I personally really love the analog stick, so that's a great replacement for the horrible D-pad. Yeah, so the game stick, they improve it with some cooling over here. With some real metal, but overall it has some limitations, and also with the software. I think new emulators, I'm messing around with that, and forget about that. So what you see is what you're getting to get, and then it also includes with the problems with the software and emulation. But I thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become the Wicked family, and it will be great to see you in the next video. Oh, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment.